Now for the leaders, salida, forward cross, enter in one. I will do it again. Salida, forward cross, enter in one with your right leg. Here the follower is doing the forward step. She did side, back, side, forward around the chair with that same rhythm, quick, quick, slow. And the leader, side, enter in the forward step of the forward. I will do the leader part, but I will name the follower's movements. She does side, back, side, forward. We do side step together. The follower goes back when I go forward. She does a side step when I am crossing, and she does forward step when I step again with my right leg. That's where we are stopping. One more time. And yeah, try to lead also the stop, leaders. It's like you actually are leading that stop. Now from the other side. One more time. Okay, let's try with no music.